Welcome back, children, to the English literature video classes. How are you today? You're good? Doing your revision work in your notebook? Finished your lessons? Okay. Now, since we are doing the revision, we have already completed 3 revisions, right? And today we will proceed with revision 4. Here what we are going to do, we are going to revise about adverb. You remember? Adverb जिसमें ly लग जाता है वो adverb बन जाता है, isn't it? And what is an adverb? Adverb describes about verb. Right? So let's start. Here there is blanks in the question, right? देखो हर question के नीचे एक blank दिया है ना मैंने. Now what you have to do over here is जो sentence लिखा है ना उसमें जो भी adverb है आपको you have to write it in the blank. So here the waiter patiently took our order. Waiter ने कैसे order लिया? Patiently लिया, right? So patiently is the adverb. So you have to write the adverb in the blank. Patiently यहाँ blank में लिखना है आपको. Right? The cat swiftly caught the mouse. Cat ने कैसे पकड़ा mouse को? Swiftly पकड़ा, right? So caught is the verb और swiftly adverb है जो verb को describe कर रहा है. कैसे पकड़ा? Swiftly पकड़ा. So you have to write swiftly in the blank. It is snowing outside. So we need It is snowing outside. So we need to dress up warmly. क्या हो रहा है? It is snowing outside, right? So we have to dress up warmly. कैसे dress up करना है? Warmly. गर्म कपड़े पहनने हैं, right? So warmly is the adverb. आपको blank में लिखना है. Mary practices her piano regularly. Mary क्या करती है? अपना piano practice करती है, right? So how does she practices her piano? Practice is a verb, isn't it? So verb को क्या describe कर रहा है? Regularly. कैसे करती है? वो regular practice करती है. So regularly is the adverb. आपको blank में लिखना है. The cook gracefully spun the pizza dough in the air. So cook ने कैसे spun किया? Spun मतलब घुमाना, ऊपर हवा में घुमा देना. तो cook ने कैसे spun किया? Gracefully spun किया. तो spun is the verb and gracefully is describing the spun. So gracefully is the adverb, right? Michelle completed her homework carefully. Michelle ने homework कैसे complete किया? Carefully complete किया, right? So carefully is the adverb. Grandma slowly climbed the stairs. Climbed क्या है? Verb है. Grandma ने कैसे climb किया? Slowly, धीरे धीरे. So slowly is the adverb, right? Now here what you have to do in this question number 2, you have to convert the adjective to adverb and उस sentence को फिर से लिखना है convert करके. Like see, Melissa is a careful driver. First one मैंने आपके लिए किया है, बाकी सारे आपको करने हैं. Melissa is a careful driver. So जब हम इसको adjective को adverb में convert करेंगे तो क्या बन जाएगा? Melissa drives carefully. Drives जो है वो verb है और verb को क्या describe कर रहा है? Carefully, isn't it? So Melissa carefully drive करती है. Melissa drives carefully. B में क्या है? Similarly हमें बाकी भी करना है. B, Andrew is a fast runner. So what will we write here? Andrew runs fast. Right? Andrew runs fast. Number C. Venice's aunt has a loud laughter. वेनिस का आंट जो है उसका हंसी क्या है? बहुत लाउड है. Laughter loud है. So what is it? What do we have to write? We have to write here Venice's aunt laughs loudly. Loud है verb, isn't it? Saying verb, उसको हम adverb बनाएंगे तो it becomes loudly. D. The huge black bear is an angry hunter. जो ह्यूज ब्लैक बेयर है वो क्या है? एंग्री हंटर है. सो व्हाट डू वी राइट? हम उसको रीराइट करेंगे तो लिखेंगे द ह्यूज ब्लैक बेयर हंट्स एंग्रीली. एंग्री बन जाएगा एंग्रीली, राइट? सो एंग्री इज द फीलिंग वर्ब, इट बिकम्स एडवर्ब और वो एंग्रीली बन जाएगा. नंबर 5. द वेट्रेस इज अ पेशेंट सर्वर. वेट्रेस कैसी है? पेशेंट सर्वर है, राइट? पेशेंस के साथ सर्व करती है खाना. सो अगर हम उसको रीराइट करेंगे एडजेक्टिव को यहाँ पे पेशेंट क्या है? इट इज एडवर्ब, एडजेक्टिव. क्यों? बिकॉज वो वेट्रेस को डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है, राइट? बट उसको हम एडवर्ब बनाएंगे तो क्या बन जाएगा? द वेट्रेस सर्व्स पेशेंटली. बिकॉज क्या हो जाएगा? सर्व क्या है? सर्व इज एक्शन वर्ब. सो पेशेंटली क्या है? पेशेंटली सर्व को डिस्क्राइब करेगा, isn't it? So it becomes adverb. The dog wags the tail when it is happy. जब dog happy होता है तो क्या करता है? वो अपना tail हिलाता है. So when we rewrite it, what do we write? The dog wags the tail happily. Right? Okay. Now, third one. And this is your last. Put the quotation mark. You remember हमने लास्ट वाले में किया था, quotation mark डाला था जहाँ पर हम किसी की बातों को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं. said आ जाता है, asked आ जाता है, वहाँ पे क्या लग जाता है? quotation mark. You remember what is quotation mark? ये वाला. See, ये वाला quotation mark, right? So here James said, I want another game for my birthday. So quotation mark में क्या आएगा है? I want से लेकर birthday तक quotation mark में, right? Similarly, oh no, there is a fly in my ice cream, yelled Gina. जीना ने क्या चिल्लाया? Oh no, there is a fly in my ice cream. So ये it will come into quotation mark, right? Similarly, all the sentences you have to put the quotation mark. The women asked, quotation mark starts. Do you have the dress in a size medium? Quotation mark close. Where should I park? Dad asked. So where should I park will be in quotation mark. What is 4 plus 4? The teacher asked. So what is 4 plus 4 will come in quotation mark. It is going to rain. Take your umbrella, mother said. So it is going to rain. Take your umbrella will be in the quotation mark. Mark answered. The answer is 8. So the answer is 8 will come in the quotation mark. So that's all. Right? Finish your work and enjoy.